Today, we're de-racing a Subaru. Come closer. See this? Taking this off, putting this on. The box? No! Clear side markers. You see that? We're putting this on. 5 extra horsepower. We were looking underneath the car. We found all this underglow. Mysterious wire. Where will it lead? Like what? It's still. I got this car last week. Don't even know how to drive manual yet, but that's okay. Because we're de-racing it. Let's go. The guy that had this car before me has a full NVIDIA exhaust and a Tomei header. And it's slightly tuned.
Hell no, man.
Dude, I don't even know how this.
Watch a video, dude.
I already watched a YouTube video. Alright, so I just found a random screwdriver and I'm unscrewing this bolt now. Yes! Yes!
You can work on that, bro.
Dude, it took 30 minutes for this one side, bro. Another 30 minutes later. Let's go! Oh yeah, baby. You see that? All right, let's see how much more horsepower this baby's got on me.